Hello everyone, welcome back to King's Auto Garage. Today I would like to share you the experience about repairing of a Porsche Panamera 2021. The story begins from the call which we received in the middle of last week to our customer desk. The customer demand was to pick his car from Corfacan, which is 150 km away from here. So after listening all these concerns from customers, we send our technical team to Corfacan with the recovery worker, and they managed to put the car in the neutral position, and hence we brought the car here. He also informed us that another two service center tried picking up the car and they failed because of they couldn't put the car in the neutral position. Hence they failed to put the car in the recovery truck, and finally he reached out to us.
Saber blade. See the light in darkness.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay?
This is the V8 twin turbo Porsche Panamera engine. So what happened? There was a coolant leakage, and customer was unaware of the coolant leakage, and he still continued to drive the car for a longer kilometer. Hence the engine got seized, and we are replacing the engine assembly here.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay? What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing
The customer was already aware about the coolant leakage issue, but because of his busy schedule, he couldn't repair the issue. The car has driven for a longer distance with the coolant leakage issue, and hence the engine got overheated. So because of the overheating, the engine got seized. So as you see here, this is the old engine of the car, and we have brought a used engine from the market to assemble it. So because of the overheating, the engine got seized. Also, the head gasket is burned out. So as you see here, this is the cylinder block, and this is the two head. This is, since it is a V8 engine, it has two. It has got two cylinder head. One is this and one is this. So here there is a head gasket. Also there is a head gasket coming here. So because of the engine overheat, these two head gasket is burned out. Also the pistons got seized. To identify or to make sure this engine is got seized, we have done the pressure test. Also we have done an endoscopic test. After the inspection, our priority was to repair the existing engine. To repair the existing engine, we need parts like piston, piston rings, cylinder head gasket, valve seals, etc. Unfortunately, all those parts which required to repair the engine was unavailable in the market. It was minimum of 15 to 30 days order. So my customer demand was to fix his car as soon as possible.
In your poison.
In order to fix the car in a quicker way, we have brought an engine from the used market and we are fixing it back.
In your poison.
Now I'll show you how Mr. Abhiram, our diagnoser, conducted the endoscopic test.
Hi, my name is Abhiram. This is the endoscopic camera which is used for checking the engine areas which is difficult to see.
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back? If I drown in your poison. In your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back? If I drown in your poison. If I drown,
Followed by is an engine overheating issue. So if your car engine is overheating, pull over the car and turn off the car. Then wait 20 to 30 minutes until the car engine completely cools down. So I'll show you. So here you see the coolant tank, and if once the car, if you park the car for 30 minutes, it will completely cools down. Then if you check the level, this should be proper. You can see a minimum and maximum point here. And if you see that the coolant level is less, then open this and very slowly, and then you can add the coolant here, and then you can try the car. And if this problem is continuously happening, that means there is a leak. So with the leak, you are not supposed to drive the car. Immediately visit us for rectifying the issue.
You're my perfection. See, I need you like the radio. You keep the beat alive. Gotta have you like the stereo. I need you in my life.
Hey, you're my obsession. 'Cause baby, you're my melody so sweet. Hey, you're my obsession. Hey, you're my obsession.
So we have completed the swapping of the engine. Now it's time for testing. Once we test the car properly, then only we'll get to know whether the engine is good or not. So the testing is very important. So let's go for the road test. The engine we installed is a used one. So in the initial stage, we need to treat this as a new engine, because this might not be used for a longer time. So we need to use this engine as a you need to treat this engine as a new one. So when we purchase an engine from the used market, we need to make sure a few things, like performance of the engine, condition of the engine, and how much kilometer the engine has driven. All those things we need to make sure before buying the engine, because once we purchase the engine from them, we are getting only few days of warranty. So within the warranty period, we need to make sure the engine is working perfectly and it will run smoothly for another many years. So it is our responsibility to provide the best engine for our customers. So the testing will be taking approximately 3 to 4 days or more than that, because as the engine is completely settled, then since it is a performance car, we need to use the complete power of the engine. So the testing will be taking another 3-4 days, so that we can make sure the engine is working perfectly and all the performance features is given by the installed engine.